What up, family? It's your boy, Black Innovator, coming at you once again with your tailored word. Uh, I get a lot of people requesting being an entrepreneur who successfully bought products to the market, uh, many patents. I've been dealing with patents and inventions probably since the mid '90s or whatever. So I got quite a bit of experience in the area, right? So I get a lot of people, a lot of friends, business associates who ask me about patents, even some of you all, right? Some of my videos have commented on some of my videos. So here's my proposition. Here's what I want to put out there. I want to teach you. I want to take you step by step of how to bring your product to market, from the prototyping. Basically, first of all, for the feasibility report, how to do the research to find out if your product is already out there or not, how to do the prototyping, how to get the manufacturing, how to secure the license agreement, how to bring the product completely from scratch to market, right? So, but here's what I'm asking for you. If I can get 1,000 subscribers, and 1,000 likes, I will teach you step by step how to bring your product from concept to the marketplace. All right? Once again, 1,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers, right? Just what you would do on this video: subscribe and like the video. And if you're already subscribed, just say, I want to know, I want to learn. Leave a comment in the section below, and I will teach you step by step everything you need to know to bring that product from out of your head into the marketplace. All right? You know what? Forget it. I'm going to do even better than that. If I can get 500 subscribers and 500 likes, what I will do, I will take you on a journey through my next product and take you step by step, learning for yourself how you can bring your product to market, whether you want to license it or whether you want to manufacture it and sell it. I will tell you everything: how to get the distributors, how to find a manufacturing company, everything you need to know. So if I can get 500 subscribers, 500 likes, make sure you leave a comment below so I can know who you are, because I'm going to contact you. Make sure you leave a comment below, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on a journey step by step, walking you through the entire process. So let's get it cracking. Godspeed. Pray you much success. Be safe.